Probability and linear math students, it is April 6th. Let's take a look at what's coming up next week and even all the way through for the rest of the semester. All right, for this week, which right now we're on April 6th, so you're supposed to be reviewing for your exam that is due on Monday, April 9th. And a question came up from one student if the review was going to be only available through today. And the review is going to be available for the rest of the semester. Actually, reviews don't have a due date, so they are open all the time. So if you're wanting to do the review on Saturday or Sunday before you take your exam, you certainly can. It's always highly recommended, though, that you take the review a good day ahead of time, so that way it allows you to truly review and ask questions on the material you do not know. But maybe you're able to figure it out in the few minutes in between you take the review and the exam. Okay, so on Monday, April 9th, we have exam 4 due, and that covers chapter 5. So all those lovely counting techniques. If you're using combinations and permutation calculators on the internet, make sure before you open up your exam that you have that available in your web browser. Okay, then on Wednesday, April 11th, we're going to start in on chapter 6. Chapter 6 will continue the idea of counting, but connect it to probabilities. So you'll see that you're still using concepts from chapter 5 over in chapter 6. On Friday, April 13th, we have homework 6.3 due, and that is on calculating probabilities of events. The following week, we continue with material out of chapter 6. Then we have material out of chapter 7. And you may notice something in here on the calendar. You'll notice between April 25th and April 30th that there's quite a span in there. And that's because on Friday, April 27th, there's something called Helena College Day. There's no classes held. Faculty are in meetings and planning for the future. We finish off the semester by the 7th of May, and I know the semester really doesn't end until May 9th, but I like to have it end for our class on the 7th just in case we have any students that are late in getting their exam in. They get it in before I submit grades. Coming back to this week, so if we take a look at April 9th, 11th, and 13th, please know that classes are being registered for. So summer and fall classes students are registering for beginning on Monday. If you have several credits, you're probably registering Monday or Tuesday. If you have very few credits or none, you're probably registering Wednesday or Thursday. You have to meet with your academic advisor before you can register, so please make sure you have done so. If you have any questions, please contact me. And also, if you have homework questions, remember there's the Ask My Instructor, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Remember, when you use the Ask My Instructor feature, that you also type what you have tried so I know how to address your question. Thank you.